All right, so this is Heidi Briones, and I want to share with you just very quickly how cool and user-friendly the Influx Entrepreneur System is. So I just logged in. I'm going to create a new website, so I'm going to make some more videos showing you how I do that. But really quick, I just wanted you to understand what this actually is and how powerful this is. So this is the dashboard, and I mean, it might not seem crazy fancy or anything, but let me just compare it with a typical WordPress dashboard. So you have a dashboard here. On the left is Influx Entrepreneur. Here is WordPress. So WordPress here, you have, I mean, this is how it starts. It was posts, media, pages, comments, contact forms. That's something I added. Optimized press, I added that. Appearance, plugins, users, tools. I mean, you can see, like, I mean, yeah, if you're familiar with this, so I'm familiar with this, so it's not that bad. But if you compare it to what you have inside Influx Entrepreneur, I just want you to see how more user-friendly it is. So let's look back at the exact same dashboard. So here's your dashboard. Of course, you have home, account, your reports. That's something I'll go into later. But really quick, just look at how easy this is here. So here's your account, install plugins, bam, just like right there. This is what you want to do, install plugins, create a new page. So compare that to over here, pages. I mean, like, yeah, pages, but what do we really want to do? We're trying to create content. So it's the way that your brain works. This has been set up to make it very easy for a novice user to get right into it and get rolling. So what do you want to do? You want to create a new page. Obviously, you need to have a web page. Then you want to create posts. Then you want to upload pictures and video rather than calling it media. I mean, yeah, I mean, you can get what media is, but what do people want to do? They want to upload pictures and video. They don't want to do media. I mean, it's just using the language in your head, which is going to save you time. It might not seem like a lot, but when you are a marketer, every second is precious, and saving yourself 5 to 10 seconds of looking at something is going to add up over time. It's going to allow you to be able to execute a lot more quickly. So here you go, review, comments, and feedback. This is something huge. I mean, if you go here, yeah, you have comments, but what do you actually want to do is you want to review them quickly. You want to be able to get into that right away. So it's just putting things together in a language that actual marketers are using, or what we actually need to do when we log in, rather than making it complicated and having you take an extra step to get to what you want. Here we go, select the perfect website, right? This is where you find your themes, your widgets, your theme options, all of that. Your settings, just right here, a lot easier to navigate. You have them all here. You could turn your plugins on and off immediately. You can import and export a website, pretty cool. You can do your domain mapping here. This is where if you have a membership site, which I do have access to, where you can add users, you can see who your members are, you can get rid of users if somebody doesn't pay their bill or whatever happens. And I mean, I just think that for what we're doing here, which is trying to market, and we're not WordPress geniuses necessarily, just looking at this here is a lot more user-friendly. So I really just want to make this quick video. I'm going to dive way more into the Influx Entrepreneur System, but I just wanted to show you just first glance how impressed I was with what I'm going to be working with and what I'm going to be guiding you guys through, so you can see how powerful the system this actually is and how you can automate everything in your business. And of course, I'm going to go into way more detail on that, but just so you know, Influx Entrepreneur, highly user-friendly just from the first glance, and you could just see that, I mean, immediately. So I just wanted to share that with you, and I'll be back with a lot more, guys. Again, this is Heidi Briones. I'm building my site right now, marketwithheidi.com, and I look forward to seeing you on more videos. All right, take care.